Alright, on est parti pour la partie 3. Donc, de ce que je me souviens de hier, on a tué le français, right? Le boss. C'était plus tough que je pensais, ok? Puis maintenant, je pense qu'on était dans une partie pas mal tranquille du jeu. Je pense qu'on a fini la mission, fait que c'est Julien, exactement, Julien Ducasse. There you go.
While
Kid,
you was snoring, I did find a few things of interest.
follow James Kidd.
Come and keep up.
This place has promise. Though we could use some improvements. Add a store or expand the tavern.
Just what the world needs. Another swill house overflowing with drunken swabs.
Je me rappelle même pas on est dans quel village slash île. Il y en a tellement. What the
Looks
fuck?
like these folks were used for target practice.
Oh, hell
Punishment
no.
for those who do not share Ducas's vision. Yet, he's kind compared to others I know.
Huh? Great Inagua, ça te dit-tu à quelque part? Non, je pense que tu le... Je pense que tu te rappelles tellement bien du jeu que tu l'as.
These must be ancient.
Aye. They're solid enough.
Pourquoi ça glow?
Odd-looking things, aren't they? Old and weathered.
Is this what they call Mayan? Or is it Aztec?
Ouais, c'est
Are you good
Aztec.
with riddles, Edward? Puzzles and ponderings and the like?
No worse than the next man, why?
I think you've a natural gift for it. The way you think and work. The way you understand the world.
Well, I don't know about that. You're talking in riddles now and I don't understand a word.
Clamber on top of this thing here, will you? Help me solve something.
Alright. Puzzle, on n'a pas eu trop de puzzle.
Concentrate and focus all your senses. Look past shadow and sound.
Investigate.
Ah, right. I know this feeling.
What the
I
fuck?
have since I was a lad. It's like using every sense at once, isn't it? To see
Good
sounds
lord.
and
Ok,
hear
attends,
shapes.
je pense que c'est comme ça.
Quite a combination.
Yep, there you go.
Every man and woman on this earth has in them a kind of intuition hidden deep away.
C'est moi qui dois
I've
y
had
aller.
this
Yep.
sense most of...
Facile. Maya, pas Aztec. Ouais, mais Aztec, Aztec c'est
You are
Maya.
a gifted man, Edward.
Has a strange look. Is it worth something?
Nothing you can spend.
Ah.
But if you find all of them, it'll lead to something grand.
How many?
Few dozen, I think.
Ah, fuck you. 12?
I've something else to show you.
Fait que là, ils vont être éparpillés partout dans toutes les
That's not all I found.
d'îles. Je suis pas mal sûr.
Kid, we've weathered a fair number of storms together. And yet, much of you remains a mystery to me.
Are we to be friends now, Edward?
I want to know a bit more about the mates I'm with. Like the whole business with this vision. And this mentor you speak of.
A guide. He helped me find my own potential. Play your cards right and you might meet him.
I go where the gold leads. I know
Yeah.
well what I want and how I can get it.
Okay. Oh, what? Bro, what the fuck?
What do you think?
I think Monsieur Ducasse was a man of many secrets.
Bro,
Aye, and look
je suis
here.
littéralement
A
millionnaire.
solid staircase leading God knows where.
Bro, pourquoi je peux pas voler cet argent-là? Là, j'en ai clairement besoin. La seule chose que je peux prendre, c'est une lettre, si niaise-moi. Dear Bernard, I should begin with an apology. Verano House has succumbed to a state far lower than your standards would allow, and yet there is little time for upkeep, and we have acquired a visitor. A Frenchman calling himself Ducasse arrived, saying he knew the previous owner. I cannot recall ever seeing him before and can find no mention of him in our records. However, he insists and I am obliged to accommodate him despite feeling quite uncertain about the matter. There is a rogue air about the man that puts me on edge. Most concerning, he has taken a particular interest in my son. He watches him for long periods, saying nothing. There is no kindness in his gaze. I've told the boy to avoid him, and he keeps to the yard training with the blade you gave him. Nice. You have taught him well, but still, I worry. He is so young, and that blade seems to be what fascinates our guests. Huh. W reader. Les secrets? What the fuck?
What do you suppose lies at the top?
From what I knew of Ducasse, wouldn't be surprised to find eclectic instruments of torture and villainy. An Iron Maiden or a collection of thumbscrews.
Or a pair of anguish.
Alright, c'était une cachette ici. Nice. Ça, c'est le manoir. On était là tantôt. Ben, hier.
Not a nice way to kick off. But that is some damn fine gear.
Try the key you took from Ducasse.
No way. T'as reçu?
That's one.
Nice!
Only 4 left.
4?
Aye. It might be that these 4 Templars have them. See the names here? They've been sent to kill these 4 targets.
Hang me, that's the map I sold to Governor Torres in Havana. He said it marked the location of assassin encampments.
You think maybe you owe them a bit of warning then? If you have any kind of heart beating in that chest.
Suppose I could? If it leads me to the 4 other keys.
Bad excuse is better than none at all.
La tenue a l'air nice d'eau. Ah, tabarnak. Fait que là, j'imagine que chaque point d'exclamation, c'est où je dois aller pour la tenue. Je suis obligé? Genre, c'est la main mission, right?
Are you the new owner of the house?
Oh, shit.
And who are you?
My name is Bernard Edmund Woodhouse, the butler of Verano House.
Edward Kenway. Ducasse had a butler.
I served the rightful owner, the widow Lady Catherine Ann Summers. She was lady of this mansion and the isle it rests upon.
Is this her?
Yes. Lady Summers was committed to this place. Her sanctuary, she called it. She wanted a better life for the people here, and a home where she could display her art collection. It is my final task. I seek to continue her work and to fulfill her wishes. I cannot do it alone.
Pourquoi mon chat à gauche, dude? What?
You'd have the coin from my pocket fund a hunt for your art pieces.
The locals here require aid, and the lady's collection was no doubt sold off and scattered around the Caribbean.
C'est chiant, ça.
Why would I bring them here when I can sell them for a profit elsewhere?
Bon point.
Because I will pay 3 times what anyone else will.
Oh, shit. Ok.
see-
Tu m'as vendu.
The lady had no other family left. In her dying breath, she bequeathed me enough.
You drive a hard bargain? I accept.
Parfait, ça.
Ducasse was a mindless animal.
He knew
T'as
nothing
assez
of
de
honor
reels
or decency.
pour
Your
le
killing of him
shop.
was well done.
Parfait, parfait.
And this blade,
Fait que dans le fond,
I
c'est ça.
didn't know.
1, 2,
You should take
3,
it.
4.
It belongs to you
Tabarnak.
now.
Hang
I
painting.
need all 5 keys to open this. A worthy battle.
Nice. Clean. What is this? Manage hideout. Huh?
This still doesn't quite feel like home.
Oui, c'est ma maison? Well, well, well. Ok, non, je vais pas acheter ça. Oh shit. Guest house. Ok, fait que ça c'est chez nous. Cool. Ok, on va sortir de là.
Now I've got a place to come back to. I will return when I can.
Nice. This is home. Achète la boutique pour la tenue. Faut que j'achète une boutique? Ok, mais j'ai pas assez. Y'a pas une boutique ici, genre, que je peux acheter? En bas? Ok, c'est ça. Ok. Ah, y'a un zipline? That's it. Qu'est-ce que je voulais? Ah! Bro! Ok, lock in. Merci.
That man was a monster. Thank God you lot came.
Who knows what would have happened to us?
Got an ear for me, Captain.
C'est lui? It's good, bro.
I'll not play duck and drake with you, Captain. I need coin to build a little emporium. I'd be ever obliged. And a local shop would bring in many a useful ware for you as repayment.
C'est quoi qu'il veut? Some wildlife skin for purchase. Ça, faut que j'achète, right? Yes or no? C'est ça? Ouais, parfait. Nice. Est-ce que j'y reparle ou... Oh, fuck you. Non.
Later, then.
Ok.
What can I do for you?
What's good, Twin? Je veux voir qu'est-ce que t'as d'intéressant. Des balles, très important. Potion, très important. Smoke bomb, pas besoin. J'en utilise pas assez. Pistolet, mon calice. Ça aussi, pas assez intéressant. Un affaire de pirate. Il est pas cher. On pourrait l'acheter pour la collection. Fuck it. Puis ici, du sucre, pas tant besoin. Pas pire. On la met. On va la mettre pour cet épisode-là. Je suis down. There you go. Ah, il est quand même stylé. Mettre le hood là. Nice.
And I have a word, sir.
Oi, Captain Taff.
Ceux que tu le revends. Ah ouais. Alright, ça c'est notre bateau.
Leaving already?
I think this cove suits you best, Edward. Better than that costume does.
Oh, come on
What
now.
the fuck?
We're pirates, kid. We take as we please and
Tu
become
viens d'acheter la tenue puis on nous
Self-made
roast déjà?
man.
But that look ain't you. It's not who you are.
What?
Who am I then?
Hard to tell some days. All I know is you like dangerous prizes.
Like the observatory? I think you know more about that than you let on in Nassau.
You noticed that, did you? Meet me at 20 degrees, 3 minutes latitude just off the coast of Yucatan. I'll have something to show you there in a
degrés.
few weeks' time.
Bon, faut juste m'envoyer la localisation là.
A hand, Captain. We've some keep I'd like to bring to the village folk.
Ok. Follow Adewale.
It must have been dire for people here under Dukas.
This place is ours now, so the people here are our responsibility.
Aye. We'll do what we can.
These are the rations I mentioned. Let's take them to the
Holy.
tavern.
I've got it.
Ouais, non, c'est là-bas que je dois aller.
I'd sooner burn it to the ground, huh?
You will shut your mouths or be buried next to that house.
What?
The crew lack discipline.
They are an eager bunch. They just need to
Super good,
direct that enthusiasm.
They also lack the skill to upkeep the ship. Not a decent carpenter in the whole lot. We'll sink for rot if we don't change that soon.
Fait qu'il faut des meilleurs,
Aye,
un
we
meilleur
are
crew.
short certain
I think.
talents.
A master at arms and a shipwright. Those would cure what ails the jackdaw.
Je drop ça ici. That's it.
I'm guessing you've an idea who might help us.
I've heard of a man who could whip our crew into shape. He was a real terror of the seas before he found religion. His name's Abel Galvao. He goes by Padre now.
If you say he's got the stuff, then I would like to find this Padre.
He ministers to a village in Punta del Caracol. If you can get him, he won't disappoint.
All right.
That leaves the shipwright.
This Lucy Baldwin is an expert shipwright. But if the rumors are true, she is riotous.
Ça veut dire quoi, ça?
She'll fit right in.
Word is, she's been captured by the British and is being held below deck at Salt Key.
Tabarnak.
Someone of her quality should not suffer under the king's tyranny. We liberate this shipwright, and we find this Padre.
Nice. Un crew de plus. We need that. Alright. C'est là, faut que j'aille, right? Yes, sir. Let's get the fuck out.
What's our course today, Captain? It's a fine day for any kind of mischief.
What's your feeling?
I'll make no secret of wanting to see the British brought to heel. If we can take their gold and put it to
Achète
use
la taverne,
ourselves,
on va revenir,
I'll be a
inquiète-toi
happy
pas,
man.
bro.
Spoken like a true Welshman.
Anyway, c'est notre
Abby.
maison ici.
And what's your aim?
Master Kidd hinted at a prize he was eager to show me down in Tulum. Quite some distance, mind, on the Yucatan Peninsula.
You trust him to play it fair?
I can't be sure.
Nice. Les
He
dauphins.
has a way of picking
Shout
away
out.
at my conscience that gives me pause. I should go see him soon.
C'est que c'est beau, man. 12 000 mètres, je viens de m'en rendre compte, dude. Holy fuck! Puis là, je vois qu'il fait pas si beau que ça, beaucoup de nuages. Je sens le tonnerre arriver. Ah, voilà. Fuck! Je suis sûr que je vais voir un monstre marin à m'amener, je peux pas croire, man. J'avoue, j'ai une assez grosse tentacule, pis c'est un kraken. Je suis sûr, je suis sûr. What was that? Est-ce que ça l'était? Dude, c'est ça qui me fait peur de l'océan puis de la mer, man. Chat, est-ce que vous le saviez qu'on a juste 5% de tout l'océan de fucking découvert? Imagine le 95 restant. Non! C'est une tornade de merde, dude. What the fuck? Wow, 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 wow. Frappe pas mon bateau. Allez donc. Fuck is this? C'est pas l'affaire rouge. Un fort. Ah, il va falloir que je le libère, j'imagine. Tu peux prendre le fort, il va te revenir. Oh shit. What? Holy! What the fuck? Oh my! J'ai décalé ceci. Oh fuck, j'ai raté toutes mes crises de balles. Nice. Ok, par contre, si je veux pas les aborder, je suis pas obligé, right? Je vais décalisser. Péter sur là ici. Yes sir. Puis le last one. Fuck, j'ai raté toutes mes crises de balles. Yo, je suis en train de me faire décalisser. C'est ça qu'il faut que je fasse tabarnak, j'arrête pas d'oublier. Nice. Ok, good. Là, ils sont tous dead. Fait que là, what the fuck do I need to do, man? Holy shit! C'est insane. Oh my god, attends, faut que je décalisse, bon, mon ship va fucking crash. Ok, mais c'est impossible. Faut que j'aille un meilleur bateau pour ça. Oui, on va réessayer, on va réessayer.
Storm Captain looks bad.
What the fuck? Big, c'est impossible, man. Holy! Oh! Fuck, 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 je m'excuse, j'ai pas regardé où j'allais. Ok, attends, on va faire demi-tour, on va faire demi-tour. Okay. Ils sont trop loin pour m'attaquer? Fuck, 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 fuck. C'est pas ça que je voulais faire.
All sails! She'll take it!
Calm her down.
Take him fire! Fire!
Nice. What the fuck? C'est quoi cette vague? J'ai pogné. Nice, ça fait 2 bateaux de down.
Leave the fort and they'll be sure to repair the damage.
Oh fuck, non, 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 non. Je vais être back. C'est good, je vais aller les décalisser, again. Y'a pas moyen de réparer mon fucking bateau, bro?
Fast as you dare. Ease her off.
Allez hop.
Trim the yards off the wind.
Oh ma!
Fire!
Dude, ils sont bien fucking forts. Ils sont bien trop forts, man.
They're firing on us. Fire!
God damn! Dude, je vais fucking die.
Loose all
Décalisse,
and
décalisse,
trim
décalisse,
sharp to
décalisse,
the wind.
décalisse, décalisse, décalisse.
Fire! Fire! Race!
Dans-
Speed, lads!
Si je m'en vais... Oh moi!
Race!
Si je m'en vais les attaquer, est-ce que ça peut réparer mon bateau, actually? On va aller bon, on va aller bon, on va aller bon. On va essayer juste ce fort-là. Let's go.
Bring them in for a steely kiss!
Fuck! Fuck! What the f... Oh! Nice! Bro! Bro! Nice! M'attaque! Boom! Let's go! Fait que là, répare le bateau ASAP. Oh oui! Send to Kenway's fleet? Non, 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 non. Moi, les réparations, j'en ai besoin ici. pas un autre juste à côté?
Loose mainsails!
Ils sont encore en train de m'attaquer, tabarnak! Moi, j'ai besoin des réparations ASAP.
They're targeting us! Ready to board on your mark, sir!
Yes sir, on retourne.
Grappling hooks away! Let's to the prize!
Ils sont au calice. Cooked. Décalissé. You made shield. Ah, let's go. On monte, buddy. Ok, on bat live. Oh oui. Au max, au max, au max. Alright, maintenant que ça c'est fait, on peut retourner à les détruire. Ah, bro.
Ease her off!
Leave the fort and they'll be sure to repair the damage.
Fire! Fire! Fast as you dare!
Ok. On retourne. On va aller les décalisser, man.
Calm her down!
Oh shit.
Brace for impact! Fire! Grease the topsails and gallants in yourselves! Fire! Fire!
Yes.
Fire!
That's one.
Fire!
Let's go. Oh fuck.
Brace yourselves! Fire!
Fucking dead. Nice. Continue vite avec ça. Juste au coup. Nice.
Fire!
Fuck.
Fire!
Nice, ça fait 2. Reload.
Fire! They're getting desperate! Batten yourselves! Fire!
Oh fuck.
Fire!
Nice. Holy shit. Non, je vais die. Bro. J'ai littéralement réussi. Est-ce que... Please dis-moi que j'ai réussi, bro. Please dis-moi que j'ai réussi. Oh my god.
Jabara. This is where the Spanish hold.
Lock in, bro. Calice, man.
Brace yourself! Fire! Douse the royals and tops! Fire!
Calice.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Oh fuck, bro. Faut que j'apprenne à conduire aussi. Tabarnak.
Brace!
Bro. Lock in. Il atterrit où? Bro, je me fais pété, man. Ça a pas de bon sens. Tu es sur moi? Ouais. Un peu. Fuck, bro. S'éloigner un peu, non? I guess not. Bro! Je suis déjà à moitié de la vie, plus bas que la moitié. Je vais me faire péter la gueule. Si je sors, bro, je pense que ça va être mieux. Fuck it, bro. Je suis pas encore build for this shit. Va falloir que j'améliore mon bateau. Il va être meilleur. I'm gone. Mon bateau est cooked, man. Holy shit. Continue encore à m'attaquer? 4000 mètres, ça fait loin, je trouve, non? Je suis sûr que c'est ça que je dois aller faire? Ou c'est ça? Main quest. Ouais, c'est ça. Je pense que c'est lui que je dois aller. C'est ça, right? Oh, c'est oui. Fait que je dois pas rentrer là, finalement. Non, sinon c'est un cul-de-sac. Attends, je suis dans marde? Est-ce qu'il fallait que je passe par là, Dune? Oh non. Y a-tu un fast travel à quelque part que je peux faire? Est-ce que c'est long, man? Ben, je pense que je me suis mis dans marde, tout seul. Parce que ça, c'est de la terre, right? Je peux pas aller là. Or can I? Ah, big, je vais crash out. Fuck, man. Je pense qu'il faut que je fasse demi-tour. Calice.
That's as near as we'll get in these shallows.
Oh. Alright, enfin, esti. Holy shit. Après 25 minutes d'être dans l'eau. Oui, je suis pas censé être ici. Mais what? Parfait. Ça, c'est très important. Ok, fait que je vais revenir en arrière, je vais faire le trajet là, à part si je fais juste sauter, je pense que ça devrait être chill aussi. Il y a de l'air d'avoir, genre... un garde, de ce que je vois. Find James Kidd. Fait qu'il y a juste lui que je peux tuer facile. Ah, il y en a un petit peu plus que je pensais. Un autre là-bas. Il va-tu m'entendre si je saute dans l'eau? I guess we'll find out. Shut up, buddy. Heavy strike.
Men,
oh!
We have reports of hooded heathen crawling about. Mr. Prince wants them found and in fetters.
Ok, lui puis lui. That's it. Fuck. Ok, il se déplace au moins, so that's cool. J'ai l'impression que ils vont me voir si je sors. Chill, 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 chill. Comme ça, nice. C'est par ici. Monter par là. Bien sûr. Sans tuer personne. Sans tuer personne. Je viens de scam le système là. Let's go. Oh. Oh fuck. Fucking bitch. bitch!
Just done for, mate!
Je peux-tu me cacher en bas? Non, je pense pas. Là, ils vont voir les corps. Là, ils vont être alertés. Probablement. Oh, attends, je vais le tuer ici. Et voilà. Buddy, buddy, buddy. C'est quoi déjà la touche pour le ramener? Ça comme ça. Et voilà.
Don't see no heathen, no hoods. And who's this Prince prick anyways?
Ah. Attends, ici. Oh, fuck. Bro. Parfait.
This jungle gets thicker with each step.
Hey, cease your foolishness, you looby.
What? You? What? Huh? T'es où, Calice? Oh, il tombe.
Prepare your coffin.
Parfait. Ça me va, ça. Oh my god. Prendre notre vie. No way, il a pas vu. No way, il a pas vu. Je le décalisse. Oh my god. Alright. Fait que là, on est à... Y a-t-il quelqu'un d'autre que j'ai pas vu? Il y a un gars là. Lui que je vais péter live. Comme ça. Puis, lui en haut, il y en a deux autres là-bas. Parfait. On va monter par ici. Est-ce qu'il parle avec quelqu'un ou je le slime? Fuck, bro! C'est pas ça que je voulais faire, tabarnak. Nice. Maintenant ta gueule. Il y a encore le gars là. Bien sûr. Il va falloir que j'attende qu'il se retourne, right? Il va se retourner dans pas long, me semble. Oh! Ah, il y a un gars là aussi. Fuck. Yep. On est parti. Le gars là. Pas besoin de tuer le gars d'en bas. Puis il va se retourner. 3. Ouais, ok, parfait. Pas besoin de décompte. Il l'a fait. Il va chill là pendant 3 secondes. 1, 2, 3. Puis il se retourne. Nice. Là, il va chiller là pendant 2-3 secondes. Dès qu'il se retourne, même pas. Boom. Nice!
We cut through the vines if we have to. We keep searching.
Oh! What the
The soldiers are
fuck?
closing in. Follow me.
Dude, il m'a fait peur.
It's waiting.
Alright, finally, damn!
We're on to something. I can feel it.
Captain Kenway,
What?
where is the assassin Duncan Walpole?
Dead and buried. After he tried to kill me.
Oui, clairement pas mort,
We are
man.
not sorry to see him gone, but it was you who carried out his final betrayal. Why?
Money was my only aim.
Should I find comfort in that? You murdered our brothers and sisters in Havana.
He has the sense, Mentor.
James tells me you traded with the Templars there. Did you see the man they called the Sage?
Aye,
Would you recognize his face if you saw it again?
I reckon so.
I must be certain.
Est-ce qu'ils sont cold, les assassins, pareil?
Not a word. Come on.
Alright, interesting.
You walked me blind and backwards into this mess, kid. Who the hell was that jester back there?
Atabai, an assassin. And my mentor.
So you're all part of some daffy religion?
We're assassins and we follow a creed, aye. But it does not command us to act or submit. Only to be wise.
Oh, do tell. I'd love to hear it.
Nothing is true. Everything is permitted. This is the world's only certainty.
Everything is permitted. I like the sound of that. Thinking what I like and acting how I please.
You parrot the words, but you do not understand them.
Nice, nice, nice.
Don't get haughty with me, kid. I followed you as a friend, and you tricked me.
I saved your skin bringing you here, man. These men wanted you dead for what you did in Havana. I talked him out of it.
Well, cheers for that.
Aye. Cheers.
Yeah. Merci Luffy, j'apprécie, bro.
Step lively.
Bonne nuit, mon chum. Alright. Fait qu'il n'y a pas moyen pour moi de... Nice. Du parcours. Pas shot parcours.
Jesus. Alive and well, kid.
More or less.
Peut-être pas ici.
You'll have to find another way across.
What? C'est quelque chose que j'ai pas vu. Pas là. Ouais. Ah ouais, actually. On fait ça. Hey!
See, Kenway. This ain't like climbing Ratlands.
Touche là. Là, hop.
The way forward's blocked.
That's a door, I reckon.
Aye. And there should be some way to open it. A mechanism somewhere.
Like a capstan.
Puzzle.
Those blocks up there. Try moving them.
Moving them. Oh, ouais.
Those blocks up there seem like they might move with a bit of weight. Edward, get up there and add your weight to one of those blocks.
J'ai l'impression que si je lâche, ça va redescendre.
Might be those stones are counterweights.
Peut-être pas. Parfait. Ça va être plus tough que ça.
The Templars have been chasing them.
Until you came along and mucked things up, it was us chasing them. We had them running scared.
Bro, tu vois fuck all, man! Fuck!
Templars have been chasing
Bon.
them.
Ok. Là, tu vas ici. Là, tu vois mieux. Ah, bah, là, tu l'as. There you go. Quel échec de débutant, man.
Something's different. Might be you can use the lever to move them drawings on the ground.
I was just about to say the same.
Try it.
Pictures on these blocks bear a resemblance to the floor. Perhaps they're connected somehow.
C'est sûr que le rouge va là. Non. Regardez ça. There you go.
Your wits about you then.
Aye, when there's fair reward on offer.
Hey dude, tu vois fuck all.
The door's mechanism seems to be broke. Let's find another way around. Follow! Jump!
What? Ok, il descend.
Drawing breath.
Enough to curse you with, kid.
Don't. Parfait. Good.
You made that harder than it had to be.
I spend most of my time above water, not in it.
What we're looking for is just up ahead.
Must be a great treasure beyond.
Treasure? Right.
Whatever's waiting at the end of this path had better be worth my time.
That'll depend on you.
How's that?
What I'm taking
Bro,
you to
what?
see may spin your head right round. I only hope you could take the shock of it.
I can handle myself.
Mayan Temple.
Is this it then? The grand prize your mentor asked me to see. Looks nothing like the man they called the Sage, I'm sorry to say.
Keep your trousers
Ouais,
tied
faut que j'aille
up.
chercher.
With one more riddle to solve. The stones look the same as in the other room.
Ah, calice.
That
Ça, je vais
doesn't
faire.
seem right.
I know it.
Up those stones, Kenway. Have an idea.
Le rouge, par contre, il est bien placé? Non, même pas. Comment je suis censé l'enlever? Ça. Aïe. Celle-là, par contre, comment tu le changes? J'ai-tu raté de quoi? J'ai de la misère à croire que c'est comme ça que tu dois faire. What if...
That doesn't seem right.
I know, shut up. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire?
I reckon this puzzle works like the last few.
Bro, what? Attends, je peux pas le tourner au max? Je peux pas encore le tourner. Ah, c'est ça que je voulais. Calice. Fuck, man, she actually stuck. My crash out. Là, on le descend. Good. So that's one. Enfin, calice.
Jesus, that's him, the sage. But this thing must be hundreds of years old.
Older still. You're certain it's him?
Aye. It's the eyes that mark him.
Did the Templars say why they wanted this sage?
They drew some of his blood into this small glass cube.
Like this one?
Aye. They meant to ask him about the observatory too, but he escaped.
Huh. We're finished here.
Tout ça pour ça? No way, right? Uh-huh.
Quiet.
Why?
The statue in the temple. Was that the man you saw in Havana?
Spitting likeness, aye.
It seems another sage has been found. The race for the observatory begins anew.
Is that what we're whispering?
This is your doing, Captain Kenway. The maps you sold to the Templars have led them straight to us.
Oh,
and now the
shit.
agents of the
Oh,
Empires know
shit.
exactly where we operate.
Leave this to me, Mentor.
They have taken Edward's crew as well. I wonder what their lives are worth to him.
Those soldiers. I've seen them work for a slaver, Lawrence Prince. He'll make chattel of your crew.
Take this. You'll attract no attention, and take fewer lives.
Fuck is this?
Use them darts on this one coming now.
9
Quick.
prisonniers. Qui ça? Qui ça donne?
You've seen this temple here? It's massive. Aye. I'm wondering if it's full of gold and jade and the like.
No way! C'est bien cheaté! Elle a dit que j'allais tuer moins de personnes, mais je pense que c'est le contraire. Ça va me permettre de tuer plus de personnes.
Many thanks, but no forgiveness.
Shut up! Je viens de te sauver ta life. Ah! Fait que lui il part ni vu ni connu? What?
This Dutch bloke.
Hello! Gotcha!
Je peux te libérer?
He was a
Release.
slaver who brought these soldiers. Lawrence Prince himself.
Où sont les autres? Oh, non. There you go. Est-ce qu'il y a quelqu'un d'autre là? On serait pas. Sont les autres, dude? Là-bas. Bro, comment il marche au calme? Like damn. Boom. Just like la rose. L'autre. That's it? Personne d'autre? Ok, on commence par qui d'abord? On commence par lui. Dès qu'il part par là-bas, je le cook. Oh fuck, peut-être pas. Lâche pas, yeah, j'essaye. Chance ça a pas fait. Yeah, on est plus connu. Holy. No way.
I may thank you later, if you manage
Is it
to
out
live
of
through
kindness
this.
you do this? Or guilt?
C'est quoi guilt? De quoi il parle? Personne m'entend dessus. Lui, il faut que j'aille le slime. Just like that. Parfait. Qu'il y a un gars là-bas. Parfait. Je sais pas c'est quoi ça, mais je vais aller récupérer. Parfait. Ok.
What in the name of all good...
What? What?
is he doing?
Whoa! The fuck?
If only you lads knew what was coming to you. I think you'd pack your kits and run. Many thanks, brother.
I got you, twin. Où sont les autres? Il m'en reste encore une coupe à les slime. C'est par là.
to Mr. Prince, is ya?
Just like that.
They can perish if this ever happens again.
Ok, parfait. J'ai les 2 derniers là-bas. Cool.
Let me up, Gospel, and face me like a soldier.
Ooh. Ooh. Double assassinat incoming. Just like that.
Cheers, Captain.
Facile. Fuck, le dernier était en haut. Je l'ai même pas vu en plus. Oh shit.
I'll enjoy this.
Bang. Cooked. Oh, y'a personne. Nice.
I'll lay off to the jackdaw.
Oh fuck. All right. On a sauvé tout le monde. On est good to go.
Who's out there?
See that mangy old codger? He's a Dutch slaver called Lorenz Prins, living now like a king in Jamaica.
Okay.
Bastard's been a target for years. Bloody hell, we nearly had him.
By God, you bravos are a cheery bunch, eh? All frowns and furrowed brows.
Captain Kenway, you have remarkable skills.
Thanks, mate. It comes natural.
But you're churlish and arrogant, prancing around in a uniform that you have not earned.
All right.
Everything is permitted. Isn't that your motto?
Cooked.
I absolve you of your errors in Havana and elsewhere, but you are not welcome here.
Oh, come on.
Sorry, mate. Wish it were otherwise.
Okay.
Cheery bunch of mates you've got.
You deserve scorn, Edward. Prancing about like one of us, bringing shame to our cause.
What is that? Your cause?
To be blunt, we kill people. Templars and their associates. Folks who'd like to control all the empires on Earth. Claiming it's in the name of peace and order.
Sounds like the Cass's dying words.
You see? It's about power, really. About lording over people. Robbing us of liberty.
That another message from one of your friends?
Aye. I'll show you. I know you ain't exactly impressed by our creed. So would the sight of money make you more friendly to our ways?
As ever.
For sure.
Then work these contracts around the West Indies for us, and we'll pay you. As simple as that. Now follow on.
Okay.
I have one last secret to share.
Oh.
How long have you been one of these assassins, eh?
Couple years now. I met Atabai in Spanish Town. And there was something about him I trusted. A sort of wisdom.
Is all this his idea? His clan?
No, sir. Assassins and Templars have been at war for thousands of years. All over the world. The natives of this new world had a philosophy like our creed, for as long as they've been here. And when Europeans arrived, our group sort of matched up, Cultures and religions and languages keep folks divided. But there's something in the Assassin's Creed that crosses all boundaries. A fondness for life and liberty.
Sounds a bit like Nassau, no?
Close, but not quite.
Where the fuck are we going?
Here we are.
What the fuck is this?
Take that stone you discovered from the Mayan Stela and put it there. That's one. Couple dozen more and you're in.
And what will this effort gain me?
Respect for a start. From the men and women you put in danger here. And if that ain't enough, there's a treasure behind that door. Something many centuries old. I reckon if you made the effort to find every last one of those, it'd be worth your while.
Holy shit. Encore beaucoup de
So
side
you're
quests.
sailing back to Nassau?
When I have another contract there, right? This is my home for now.
GG's, bro. Holy shit.
Enough of these bravos. A quick kip of the old Avery would set me straight.
Okay. Ça ici à faire. Health is full. Là. Hop, hop. Pourquoi il est là, lui? Il est calé, big. C'est mon spot, what the fuck? Fait que là, je pense qu'on va voir fast travel, là. Fait que ça, c'est cool. Oh my god! What the fuck? Ok. Fait que ça, c'est fait. World map. Let's see. Parfait, ça. Fait que là... on pourrait faire cela, Loki, mais faudrait que j'améliore mon ship. Là, je suis où? Je suis là. Side quest. Ouais, c'est ça. Puis il y en a même un là aussi. Ok, je pense qu'on va aller se taper celle-là. Fuck it. Mais là, je peux pas améliorer mon shit, though. Fait que... fuck it. On va try ça. En espérant d'être meilleur.
Catch me some wind.
Let's do it. Let's go. Ils se battent encore ceux-là. Holy shit. Cinq étoiles? 5 étoiles. Buddy. Impossible que je réussisse. What the fuck? Tu sais quoi? On va aller faire celle-là à la place. On safe, safe. Ils sont encore en train de se battre. Dude, 5 étoiles le ship. I'm good.
Down to Trinidad to see Sally Brown, boys. Row, boys, row, boys, row. Down to Trinidad to see Sally Brown, boys.
Nice, on pogne le vent en plus, ça allait beaucoup plus vite.
Alright, leave off, Jack.
Comme la radio dans GTA aussi. Un 4 étoiles, ish. Oh my god, j'ai failli pogner la... Oh! Bro. Ok, mon bateau est toujours pas fucking healed après tout ce temps-là. Je pense que c'est le temps de les aborder. I don't know. Oh my... Ils ont ben trop de vie. Ils ont ben trop de fucking vie. Ils ont ben trop de vie. Impossible sur lui ça. Impossible. Ok, je m'attendais pas à ce que ça soit autant tough que ça là. Ok, un 4 étoiles, c'est like that. Imagine un 5. Holy shit. On se fait péter la gueule. Holy shit. Oh, c'est actually bad. Oh, c'est actually bad. Oh my... Impossible que je me le tape. Impossible que je me le tape. I'm gone. I'm gone. Oh no. Oh no. Ok, je suis actually fucking dog shit. Je suis vraiment de la merde.
Furling.
Good. On est à Nassau.
You require my services.
Yes, sir. Upgrade ship. Attends, on va aller voir le shop en premier s'il n'y a pas de quoi d'intéressant. Oh my god. Ok. Clairement, on peut pas faire rien de tout ça. C'est juste pour le look. Préférablement, je veux l'améliorer. Ok. Ok. Beaucoup de bullshit. Appearance. Oh. Non, noir et or, c'est cold, though. On va le mettre. Oh ouais. Oh ouais. Avec la tête de mort en plus. Puis le crew... Ah, le crew va être dripped out aussi. Oh shit, attends, il joue à quoi lui? What the fuck? Wager my luck. You are on outmatch. Let's see what you got. Tu sais quoi? Moi je suis un gars all in or nothing. 800, come on, on gamble.
Could go for a game.
Ok, each player commence avec 22 pièces dans un 9 par 5. Les pièces sont placées. Ok. Chaque joueur bouge une pièce. Ok, pour capturer. C'est comme les dames un peu? Je pense que c'est comme les dames. On va try. You will go first, nice. Ok. Fait que moi je suis sur là. X pour sélectionner une pièce. Huh?
Good move.
Oh fuck, what? Ok, c'est pas du tout comme les dames. Shit.
You left it open.
Je vais me faire cook, je pense. Ok, finalement j'ai fuck all compris du jeu, man.
You won't get another one.
Oh nice. What? Bro, je comprends fuck all du jeu.
You can have that one.
Sure, I guess.
One for me.
Un. Juste un. I guess j'ai tout perdu, dude.
Well played.
En plus, c'était 800$, bro. J'ai rien compris de ce qui... Attends. Juste 200 cette fois-ci. Je sais même pas si c'est là qu'il fallait que je bouge. Probablement pas.
You can have that one.
Oh my god, bro, je vais me faire décoller ici encore une fois. On va aller ici. Peut-être que ça va changer de quoi, non?
That one's for me.
Alright, je viens de perdre 1000$, juste de même, parce que je sais pas comment jouer au jeu, puis mon ego a parlé à la place. Wow, sick. Aïe aïe aïe. Nassau, Bahamas, 1700, oh my god, 1717.
So this is the new Libertalia, eh? Stinks the same as every other squat I've robbed this past year.
Oi, oi. Why the long face? You've fallen in love?
With your blouse. You're welcome to Nassau, gents. Everyone is that does their fair share.
Fair share? What is this, a fucking monastery?
We was led to believe that Nassau was a place where men did as they pleased.
Save keeping others from doing the same. Aye.
Captain Thatch, as I live and breathe.
Cold.
What is this magnificent muzzle you've cultivated, eh?
Why fly a black flag when a black beard will do?
Ooh.
What brings you two gents this far north?
The word is, Cuban governor himself is fixing to receive a mass of gold from a nearby fort. Until then, it's just sitting there, itching to be took.
Governor Torres himself, eh? Sounds promising.
Welcome to Nassau, Captain Vane. Mr. Rackham.
Okay.
Now, where can a man find a bit of rough? Do you know what I mean?
Bit of rough. Actually, non, j'ai aucune idée que ça veut dire. C'est qu'est-ce qu'on va aller faire? On va aller faire ça ici. Yeah. Yep. They like that. They like that. Fait que là, je vais pouvoir fast travel ici. That's cool. Honnêtement, ça, ce serait un bon jeu à 100%. Je le ferais peut-être pas 100% en stream, mais c'est quand même nice. Fait que là, si je check par exemple avec la map, il y a tellement d'affaires à faire. Check par exemple, il y en a un ici, il y en a un là, il y a des missions. C'est quand même pas pire, moi. C'est quoi ça? Une taverne. Harbor Master. Tu vois, je pense que je vais aller ici. Mais là, j'ai perdu fucking de cash par contre. Pas grave ça. Non. Oh. Oh my god. Est-ce que je peux pickpocket n'importe qui? Non, je pense pas.
Hey, be careful!
Ici. Là.
Have you business to contract with me?
Yes. Upgrade ship. Ah, j'ai juste pas assez d'argent. Calice. Non, si j'avais pas tout perdu, I guess. Dude, c'est bien. Ah, il faut que je sois à Great Inagua. Pis c'est où, juste pour le fun? Oh, fuck.
Perhaps 'tis, but postponed.
Great Inagua, juste pour le fun. J'espère que c'est pas trop loin. Dry Tortuga. What the fuck, c'est où? Inagua. C'est pas là, right? Non. Cat Island. C'est pas là? Là. Andreas Island. C'est pas là. C'est-tu là? Salt Key Bank. Havana. Bonavista. Dude, what? Oh my god, c'est là-bas? Ok, oui, c'est là où ils ont mon manoir. Parfait. Ok. Ok, cool, tranquille. Fait que on va continuer la prochaine mission, je pense, prochain épisode.
Can't a good soul find it in him to sit with an old sea dog like me, eh? Oh, lad, you. Hey.
Oh, attends, juste flatter le chat avant de partir.
Come here, you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You wouldn't leave me here all alone, you beast.
Wow. Chill. Ouais, je pense que ça va être ça pour l'épisode d'aujourd'hui. Fait que malheureusement, j'ai moins grind que les autres journées. Si j'avais tellement de misère. Je peux-tu améliorer de quoi, actually? Je peux rien améliorer, of course. Ouais. Fait que malheureusement, j'ai passé 3/4 de l'épisode en train de fucking sell, mais écoute. On apprend peu à peu le fucking jeu. Fait que, yeah. Écoute, ça va être ça pour aujourd'hui. Demain, same affaire. On continue le jeu. Puis, ouais, écoute, ça va être ça qui est ça.